Today we have discussion on artificial sun, and our entire discussion is divided into four segments. First segment concentrating on sun, second on artificial sun, third advantages, and fourth challenges. Sun is one and only star in our solar system. It is source of production of massive and sustained heat and energy in its core, and in the core of sun massive amount of heat and energy is produced through the process of nuclear fusion. In the process of nuclear fusion, which occurs at extremely high temperature and pressure, lighter nuclei of hydrogen fuse together to produce heavier nuclei of helium, in which massive amount of heat and energy is produced. And process of nuclear fusion, which is also described as thermonuclear fusion, is controlled and confined inside core of sun in the presence of extremely high temperature and pressure through its massive gravity, and that is source of producing sustained controlled heat and energy in the core of sun. Artificial sun is a logical extension of thermonuclear process या process of fusion occurring in core of sun. Artificial sun are thermonuclear experimental reactors या man-made reactors to control and confine process of nuclear fusion which occurs at extremely high heat and pressure. Artificial sun या thermonuclear experimental reactors are dependent on use of tokamak, a device which is also known as superconducting magnetic confinement of nuclear fusion to control and confine extremely high amount of heat and energy to produce electricity. Thermonuclear reactors are in experimental stage. These are in initial stage. Their examples are East in China, International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor in southern France. India is also a participant member. Megajoule project of France, National Ignition Facility of USA, and Study State Tokamak 1, Study State Tokamak 2 in India, in Gandhinagar, Institute of Plasma Research, Gandhinagar, India. These are the likely and potential advantages of artificial sun. These thermonuclear reactors, once succeed, are going to be source of a continuous source of production of heat and energy over a long duration of time to sustain humanity. Production of energy through artificial sun is relatively environmentally clean and safe, given these are the source of production of helium, which is an inert gas. So in the future, with the use of artificial sun, tokamak as an alternative of thermal power plants, nuclear atomic fusion based nuclear power plants will help us to overcome problem of global warming and climate change. Now these are likely challenges of artificial sun. Remember that initial cost of production of artificial sun is extremely high. Technology is so far in initial stage. It is also technologically intensive, so it is going to be beyond reach of developing and underdeveloped countries, as they cannot bear such a massive initial high cost and technological input. So it is likely to increase gap between developed and underdeveloped countries. Second, in the case of failure and accidents, likely losses are going to be massive and huge, and technology could be misused for producing extremely dangerous thermonuclear या hydrogen bomb. So way forward is there must be international safety and regulations, must be supervision to allow peaceful usage of artificial sun and inclusive distribution of advantages produced by artificial sun throughout the world. Thank you all.